Right, this is my solution to Paul's Raspberry Pi lesson number 21 and lesson number 22. I will first introduce you to my assistant, which is my dinosaur pen holder, who will be taking care of looking at the distances. Right, and here's my code. It's definitely based on Paul's original one, and I've just added the bit to calculate the distance, and at the bottom the bit that you couldn't see was just the keyboard interrupt. Right, we will try running it. I've measured that out. That ought to be about 2.5 inches, maybe a touch less. We'll try running it. Oh no, I didn't do that. I didn't go out of it cleanly. Right, I will go Control C and start again so it's nice and clean. Right, start again. Run the program. Oh, I obviously didn't do it very cleanly. Right, that is about 2.5 inches, which is good. Right, we will reposition my glamorous assistant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that should be about 4 inches. I think that's maybe a little closer. That ought to be about 4 inches, and it's saying 4.17. Well, the problem is that my squared board is actually in centimetres, so it makes it a bit difficult. Right, we will Control C out of that. Ah, well, that's strange. Won't worry about that. Right, the next program is to use GPIO.0 library, which you can see is an awful lot more simple, and you just use the distance sensor element of the GPIO.0 thing. So we are expecting about 4 inches. So we'll run it. Yep, it jumps around a bit, and this isn't to do with my program, it's to do with something else. Right, if I Control C out, but it's about 4 inches. If we go up here, it says, for more accurate readings, use the GPIO pin factory instead of the, I think it's the RPi, or I don't know which other pin factory, but I haven't bothered to do that because this is just a demonstration for how you can use it to measure distance. Right, program number 3, measuring the speed of sound. Now, it's all fairly obvious. You put the dinosaur in the right place and then you see what happens. Right, so we will get rid of that lot. Run the program. Now we're on about 4 inches, I hope. Position dinosaur. Well, he's already positioned, and we put in 4. Right, I got the speed of sound is 734, and the actual speed of sound is 767 miles per hour. I don't think that's bad. Right, we'll go to 1, 2, 3. This will be about 2.4 inches, but It's very rough. Right, we'll put in 2.4 and see what happens. Right. We have got the speed of sound. In fact, I should have put that a little closer to that. Speed of sound is 718. That wasn't very good. Now I've repositioned it. Whoops. What happened there? Right. 791 miles per hour, and the real speed of sound is 767. Well, I don't think that's too bad. There we have it. Control C, and